interesting facts about floods. Did you know that Louisiana is known for floods? Floods happen all over the world. The reason why Louisiana is known for floods is because they are right next to the ocean and they get a lot of heavy rainfall. Where we live, we don't get a lot of floods, but when we do, they're pretty bad because when it usually rains, the water soaks into the ground. But where we live, the ground is so dry so it doesn't absorb right away. The water just sits there and collects. One of the most dangerous floods was the Mississippi River flood of 1927. It was the biggest flood ever recorded, and it lasted about 39 minutes of nonstop water rushing in, killing around 250 people and spreading around 27 square miles. Floods are the most widespread natural disaster aside from wildfires. 90% of the U.S. natural disasters declared by the president involving some sort of flooding. A car can be taken away in as little as 2 feet of water.